Today we're going to look at the Pure Purpleheart Expansion Pack from Roland, and what you're hearing right now is the Veinhammer kit from the producer position. In this installment, I'm going to take a similar approach that I took in the Maple Gum Expansion Pack. We will hear all the sample sounds when loaded into a default kit that has the tuning set to 0 and EQ and compression off. That kind of gives you your baseline for what everything sounds like. And I'm going to use that same MIDI that I recorded earlier, and we're going to play that against every kit when you're listening to the full kits. And this is also going to let you compare various expansion packs in a very direct way, since the same part is going to be played on all of them. One thing I am changing is the images are going to show a lot of information. They're going to be pretty information dense. So while you're hearing the kit play, you're going to see some charts, and I've gathered all the characteristics. I didn't gather all the characteristics. I gathered some of the characteristics of each of the kits. So the instruments in each layer, the tuning, the muffling, and the shell size. There's a lot more that changes in each of these, but I can only get so much information in a table. So feel free to stop, pause, rewind, take a look at those tables after everything's done. All right, let's give it a listen.